To reset a Blueair filter light, start by locating the reset button on your device, which is often labeled as fan, fan speed, or filter, and is typically situated in the middle of the unit. Once found, press and hold this button until the light changes color. This process usually takes between 15 to 30 seconds, depending on the model of your Blueair filter. As you hold the button, you may notice the LED lights illuminating, and then the light indicator will turn off. When this happens, release the button, and the reset will be complete, indicated by the color change from red to blue. The need for a reset often arises when the LED light turns red, which typically occurs after about 6 months of using the filter, signaling that it's time for a replacement. After installing a new filter, performing a reset allows you to continue using the device as usual. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Blueair filter light.